Hello friends, welcome to Learn Next. Today we are starting our traditional GK series for all upcoming examinations, and today we'll discuss the part 1 of our series. So let's start with the first question. Which metal is used for generation of nuclear power? Correct answer is uranium. So, uranium is the fuel most widely used to provide nuclear energy. That is because uranium atoms split apart relatively easily. Uranium is also a very common element found in rocks all over the world. Next. Who has been called Napoleon of India? Correct answer is Samudragupta. So Samudragupta of the Gupta dynasty is known as the Napoleon of India. So historian A.B. Smith called him so because of his great military conquests known from the Prayag Prasasti written by his courtier and poet Harisena, who also describes him as the hero of 100 battles. Next. Which is the largest freshwater lake of the world in terms of volume? Correct answer is Lake Baikal. So Lake Baikal is the world's largest freshwater lake in terms of volume. It contains about 5,521 cubic miles of fresh water, or approximately 20% of Earth's fresh surface water. This is a volume of water approximately equivalent to all 5 of the North American Great Lakes combined. Next. Who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. So Planning Commission was established on 15th March 1950 by a Government of India resolution with Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru as the chairman. The purpose of Planning Commission was formulation of 5-year plans. Next. In which year was the first general elections were held? Correct answer is 1951. So the Indian general election was held from 25th October 1951 to 21 February 1952. It was the first election to the Lok Sabha since India became independent in August 1947. It was conducted under the provisions of the Indian Constitution, which was adopted on 26 November 1949. Next, which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Correct answer is pancreas. So the pancreas excretes enzymes to break down the proteins, lipids, carbohydrates and nucleic acids in food. Functioning as an endocrine gland, the pancreas secretes the hormones insulin and glucagon to control blood sugar levels throughout the day. Next. Who founded Arya Samaj? Correct answer is Dayananda Saraswati. So Arya Samaj was founded in the year 1875 by Dayananda Saraswati, whose aim was to re-establish the Vedas, the earliest Hindu scriptures, as revealed truth. It was founded on 10th April 1875 at Girgaon, Mumbai. Next. Who is called father of economics? Correct answer is Adam Smith. So Adam Smith was an 18th century Scottish economist, philosopher and author who is considered the father of modern economics. Adam Smith is also known for creating the concept of gross domestic product. Next, who is the author of the book India of My Dreams? Correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. So our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, wrote the book India of My Dreams. Mahatma Gandhi is ranked amongst the 10 most influential persons of the 20th century. Next, what is the maximum gap between two sessions of a parliament? Correct answer is 6 months. So Indian Constitution empowers the President to convene the session of Parliament such that there should not be more than 6 months gap between two consecutive Parliament sessions. So maximum gap between two consecutive Parliament sessions is theoretically 6 months. So these were the most important traditional GK for all upcoming examinations. So in our next video, we will discuss more questions. So please like, share and subscribe our channel Learn Next to get regular updates. Thank you.